Do you think you need an English speaking partner to become fluent? What if I told you that is one of the biggest myths in English learning? Every day, millions of learners wait for the perfect partner, a native speaker, or an English class. They wait for weeks, months, even years. And while they're waiting, they're not improving. Here's the truth. You don't need another person to practice speaking English. In fact, many fluent English speakers spend hundreds of hours practicing completely alone. In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful techniques that you can start using today. No partner, no expensive courses, no awkward conversations. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to practice speaking every single day, even if you're the only English learner in your town. Let's get started. What is this? Okay. What about this? All right. Describe everything around you. One of the easiest ways to practice speaking is to describe your surroundings. Look around your room. Don't just look. Talk. For example, there is a black laptop on my desk. The window is open. It is getting dark outside. I need to clean my room later. Start with simple sentences, then make them longer. Instead of saying, there is a chair, say, there is a comfortable wooden chair next to my desk that I use every day. The more details you add, the more vocabulary and grammar you naturally practice. Talk about your day. Pretend someone asks, how was your day? Now answer out loud, not in your head. Speak. For example, I woke up at 7, I made breakfast, then I went to work. After work, I watched YouTube and cooked dinner. This exercise practices the past form naturally. Do this every evening for 5 minutes. You'll notice your speaking becoming smoother. Think in English. Many learners translate every sentence from their native language. That slows you down. And instead, start thinking directly in English. When you are walking, think, that dog looks happy. When you are cooking, think, I need to cut these vegetables. When you are shopping, think, I should compare the prices. You don't need perfect English, you just need English. Ask and answer your own questions. Imagine you're both the interviewer and the guest. Ask, what is your favorite movie? Then answer, my favorite movie is Titanic. Ask again, where would you like to travel? Answer with details. I would like to travel to the USA. This creates a real conversation. It also prepares you for future speaking situations. Record yourself. Most people hate hearing their own voice. That is exactly why you should do it. Choose one topic, speak for 1 minute, then listen. Ask yourself, did I hesitate? Did I repeat words? Were my sentences clear? Did I pronounce everything correctly? Every recording becomes a free speaking lesson. Shadow native speakers. Choose a YouTube video, listen to one sentence, pause, repeat it exactly. Copy pronunciation, rhythm, stress, intonation. Don't sound like a robot. Try to sound like the speaker. Shadowing is one of the fastest ways to improve fluency. Tell stories. Stories make you think. And instead of saying, I went to the park, say, last Sunday I went to the park because The weather was beautiful. I met an old friend there and we talked for almost 2 hours. Stories force you to connect ideas naturally, so try to tell stories more. Explain what you know. Teach something, anything, cooking, football, history, your job, a movie. Imagine you're making a YouTube video. Teaching helps you discover words you don't know. Those becomes your next vocabulary goals. Have imaginary conversations. Imagine you ordering coffee. Imagine a job interview. Imagine checking into a hotel. Play both roles. Customer, waiter, interviewer, applicant. This prepares you for real conversations before they happen. Use AI as your speaking partner. Today, you don't have to practice completely alone. Use AI voice conversations. Ask questions. Answer follow-up questions. Role play different situations. Practice interviews. Practice travel English. Practice daily conversations. The important thing isn't having the perfect partner, it is speaking constantly. I'm going to give you daily 15-minute speaking routine. If you only have 15 minutes, do this. 3 minutes, describe everything around you. 3 minutes, talk about your day. 3 minutes, shadow a native speaker. 3 minutes, record yourself speaking. 3 minutes, have an imaginary conversation. 15 minutes every day is more effective than 2 hours once a week. Consistency beats intensity. Think about it. Every day you wait for a speaking partner is another day you're not practicing. But after watching this video, you don't have that excuse anymore. You now have 10 techniques you can use everywhere, at home, on a walk, in your car, or during a coffee break. Fluency doesn't come from waiting, it comes from speaking. So here's your challenge. For the next 30 days, practice speaking English alone for just 15 minutes every day. Record your progress on day 1 and again on day 30. I think you'll be surprised by how much more confident and natural you sound. If this video helped you, subscribe for more practical English lessons that you can use in real life. And in the comments, tell me, which of these 10 techniques will you try first? Remember, no partner, no problem. Your English journey starts with your own voice.